So, year 11, this is it, your final day for most of you. So what we thought we'd do is we'd go around, maybe get a bit of advice for the future from some of the staff that you've come to know and love over these 5 years, and just see if there's any tips that I can give you. So we're going to go into the staff room first, see if there's anybody about. I don't think many of you would have been in here before. So this is the staff room, and you can see there are 2 teachers just legging it there, okay? See, convenient. So we'll go downstairs, as there's nobody about, and we'll see who we can find. Here we go. So, any advice we could give our year 11s going to college? If you give them a word of wisdom, what would you give our year 11s? What would you say to them?
Stick it out.
Stick it out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get to university.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
That's brilliant. Thanks for that. And here we go, busy doing the toast. Any words of wisdom, advice for our students?
Work hard and you'll be rewarded.
Work hard and you'll be rewarded. Fantastic advice, yeah? Brilliant, thank you ladies. So let's walk around here. So we'll go over to the design and technology department. So as you can see, the DT team are hard at work. Okay, just saying. So we just want to give the students, the year 11s, some advice, a bit of wisdom when they go out on their own. Any thoughts?
I don't know really. Just be yourself.
Yeah, don't do anything silly.
Yeah.
Be yourself.
Be yourself. Take good advice.
Take advantage of any opportunities that you might get given. Even if you're not sure, just do it.
Fantastic.
Experience.
Yeah.
And learn from the mistakes that you've made up to this point. We don't want any repeat mistakes.
Yeah. Fantastic. I think that's good advice. Brilliant. Thank you, DT department. So we're moving on. And I think if we head towards science, see if there's anybody about there. So we navigate all the students who will be in your position soon enough.
That's alright.
So this is live. Yeah, so we are recording at the moment. So just be aware. Be on your best behaviour. Otherwise the evidence will be there. Oh, here we go. Look at this. Come here, straight for a live interview. So year 11s. Okay. If somebody could put the lights back on, please, that would be useful. So what advice, what pearls of wisdom would you give to our year 11s? Or when they go to college? I know.
Work hard.
Work hard. Yeah. And enjoy it as much as possible. Fantastic. Thank you, miss. That's brilliant. See, this is the power of the camera. Everybody hides. So, here we are, Mr. Vernon's room. So this is live television. What we're after is a bit of advice for our year 11s as they leave us and move on. Any pearls of wisdom?
The year 11s in general need to be working hard.
If we could be quiet, everybody else, please, so we can listen to the advice that Mr. Vernon's going to give our year 11s. Can you say that again, please?
Yeah, they need to be working hard if they've been working hard already. If they haven't, some of the lads, you need to pull your thumb out now and get on with it, because we know what you like. You start to develop and mature now that you're 16, you leave. It's a bit late for us, but it's not too late for you. So work hard for the next 2 years.
Fantastic. Good advice there. That's brilliant. Thank you. So let's see if we can find anybody else around here.
Oh, yeah, sure.
So, there's Miss Bate around here. Have a look. But a member of staff here, so we're looking for pearls of wisdom for our year 11s as they go on their way. Any thoughts you could give them? Do what you want to do.
Yes, work hard at college and you'll just get and do what you want to do.
Fantastic, that's brilliant advice, thank you.
Come on, Granny. Come on.
So I think, tell you what, let's go to BMS. So many of you won't have been to BMS. This might be a novel experience. No, you've been. So if we walk through here. So of course our BMS team, they've dealt with many of you over the years. So I'm sure they'll be able to give you some pearls of wisdom. Keep out of trouble. Here we go. Our first person. So we are live, miss. So we're looking for some pearls of wisdom and advice for our year 11s as they go on their way. Any thoughts?
Just look after one another, stay safe, enjoy being this age, and
That's brilliant.
yeah, all the best.
So look after one another, stay safe. I like that. Fantastic. Thank you, miss. So let's have a look through here. Here we go, here's the team. So this is live television. Okay, so we're going to go to Mr. Lewis first because he is a great source of wisdom. So we're looking for some advice for our year 11s as they go on their way. Any pearls you can give them? Any thoughts?
The only thing I can say is I hope that they've done all their groundwork before they've actually left here, sorted out their college placements, or if they're going on an apprenticeship, and then wish them all the best for the future.
Fantastic, that's great. Miss Bradley,
Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm good.
Good, good. I'm glad.
Putting you on the spot here.
I know.
But any thoughts for our year 11s? I know
Yeah.
you've dealt with many of them.
I have. I hope they do well. I hope they do well. It's just a springboard and that's what they've got to remember. This is just the start of everything and I wish them the best of luck.
Yeah, fantastic. And Miss Darcy,
Just more or less the same as what everyone else has said. Go to college, make sure you get to lessons, because there will be no one there like I do shouting, get to lesson.
fantastic. So, that's it guys. Bit of advice there, take some of those tips, learn from them, and we wish you all the very best for the future. Thank you.
Yay!